What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my.
Hey guys, it's your girl Manny by J, and I'm wondering what's poppin', cause I know you poppin'. And as y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing this get ready with me story time hair tutorial type thing, and obviously I'm looking good right now, so obviously it was a success. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because you know the vibe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm looking a little scruff, a little rough, but you know that's just for now. It's not gonna be like that this entire time. First, obviously I'm gonna start off with putting on my wig, and I got this wig from Allove hair. It says all you need is love and great hair, and I feel like that is true. Actually, I feel like all you need is money and great hair, but I get what you're saying. Like, I get where y'all was going with this. And this hair is 24 inches, and it comes with a 2-piece wig kit, because y'all know y'all be needing the wig kits. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I know that I be needing the wig kits. Okay, so it's 24 inches, y'all. And I was like, okay, like, I love a cool 24 inch. So, and I usually do not like hair like this, just because it's not this hair, it's the color for me. But we're gonna see, like, we're gonna try to make it look good on me, because if we can make this color look good on me, then that means we going places. Okay, start with my story time. So this I want to tell y'all about a time where I had a crush on like 3 different guys at one time. Like, it was a hard knock life, but it happens to the best of us. It really do happen to the best of us. So I feel like this is pretty tight, so we gonna see. It's just a closure wig too. It's a 24 inch closure wig, because I really do not like frontals that much, just because it's a lot of maintenance. It's a lot of maintenance. But so I'm gonna put this wig on, and then I'm gonna start this story time, because if I try to start this story time while putting this wig on, then I'm gonna have a crooked wig. Real dope vibe. Turning is in the fiends. Hey. Every time I want to record, that's what my mother want to be playing music, blasting music. Thinking she cute, thinking she grown. Okay, so this is what the hair is giving so far, and so far it's giving too much. So I'm about to put some foundation on this. I'll be back. Okay, so I just got finished coloring the bottom of the lace. Okay, so far I don't think it looks too bad. That's my first thought, is that it doesn't look too bad. Your friends do, they're just jealous of me and you. I'll always keep you happy. I'm still in love with you. I'm gonna leave this right here until this becomes a little bit more tacky, and then I'll be back, okay? Because I'm about to blow dry this a little bit until it's more tacky, and I'm gonna see y'all when it's done being blow dried. Okay, so now I'm about to cut this lace off. Okay, now I'm about to tie this down, y'all, just so it can lay down. Okay, so while we waiting for this to be ready, we're gonna get the face together, okay? Because the face is just not together. And I can start my story time while my face is getting it.
2,000 years later.
See what's going on with this hair. So this is going to be my baby hairs right here. I feel like that's not short enough. So I'm back. We're gonna get these baby hairs down. And I'm sorry, I am not the girl that y'all usually see on YouTube doing this perfect hair tutorial. That is not me. I'm the girl who will do her hair like how she do her hair. I don't really do my hair like everybody else. I do my hair backwards. They're like, girl, I ain't never seen that before. Like in one of my videos, I smooth my hair down with spritz. I just be doing whatever I feel. Cause it really doesn't take that long to be putting on no closure wig. It does not take that long to put on no closure wig. So I have this hair wax stick that I'm about to use to just smooth his hair down, because it's looking real crazy right now. Flat it down with the wax stick. I think I'm about to go against my hair with a brush just to make it more natural looking with my foundation. Okay, so I put some foundation on it so it can look more natural. Like that, like so. Now this looks really cute. I didn't think I would like it, but I think it looks really, really cute. But I really didn't think I would like it. Oh, wait until my makeup done. All right. So this is what the hair is giving, guys. This is what the hair is giving. Please, like, who is really messing with me? Nobody at all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with my top. Now I'm about to put my earrings on, and I got some matte finish setting spray, so now I'm about to spray that on. So now let's get into the hair. I'm almost done getting myself together. I feel like I look good, y'all. You know, I don't really dress up that much, but today I feel like I look really good. Come on, tell me I'm not looking good. Tell me I'm not looking scrumptious. Tell me I'm not looking bomb.com. This is just water, nothing special. Okay, now I'm about to go make this mold smaller, so I'll be back because I need some makeup remover for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me story time hair tutorial type thing that I just did for y'all. I enjoyed it so much, and I hope y'all enjoyed it too. My makeup is looking bomb. The hair is looking even more bomb. I got this hair from Allove hair, and everything that you need to know for the hair will be linked down in the description box below. And if you made it here without subscribing to my channel, then what is going on? Like, why aren't you not subscribing? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.